Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today, we are making best pair, Chow Chow bath. It's the ultimate breakfast combo. Spicy vegetable-loaded upma, paired with melt in your mouth, sugary orange sheera, with spicy chutney. Let's begin with preparing upma. Here are your ingredients. Suji 1 cup, onion, carrots, green peas, green chili, curry leaves, coriander, lime juice. Dry roast the suji until turning slightly golden. Start with adding oil to the pan and let it heat. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and jeera seeds. Add the green chilies, curry leaves. Add the onions and saute until they become soft, not brown. Add the carrots and green peas. Add salt to taste. Add 2.5 to 3 cups of water. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Taste the water. It should taste slightly salty like sea water. Add half teaspoon sugar to balance the flavors. Lower the flame to minimum. Slowly add the roasted suji with one hand, while stirring constantly with the other. This prevents lumps. Cover the pan with a lid and let it steam on low heat for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Add the lime juice and a handful of fresh coriander. Our hot part of the meal is ready. Look how colorful and fluffy this upma is. Now, let's move on to the sweet part of our chow chow bath, the orange sheera. Here are the ingredients. Suji, 250 grams, 1 cup. Fresh oranges. Sugar. Dry fruits. Food color, orange. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. In a pan, add a half cup suji. Roast on low medium flame for 3 minutes. It should be fragrant but stay light in color. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan and then add some chopped dry fruits. In the pan, add 1.5 cups of water and your saffron food color and some ilaichi. Bring it to a rolling boil. Add sugar and stir so that sugar melts. Turn the flame to low. Slowly add the roasted suji, while stirring continuously to ensure there are no lumps. Cover and cook for 2 minutes until the water is absorbed. Add the oranges and mix well.
A few moments later.
To bring our whole meal together, we are making a special tangy chutney. The secret ingredient today? Fresh raw mango for a zesty kick. Here are your ingredients. Groundnuts, peanuts ¼ cup, roasted chana dal, putani 2 tablespoons. Raw mango, carry to 2-3 slices, or lime juice. Fresh coconut, ½ cup, grated. Green chilies, 3 to 4, adjust for hot levels. Fresh coriander, a handful, with stems for flavor. Put the roasted groundnuts, putani, coconut, and green chilies into the blender. Add your raw mango pieces. Toss in the fresh coriander and a pinch of salt. Add a little water and grind to a smooth or heat a little oil with mustard seeds and curry leaves, then pour it over the chutney. And there it is. Chow Chow bath is ready to serve. You've got the spicy upma, the velvety orange sheera, and this zesty mango chutney. If you love this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe to Hott and Sweett for more double treat recipes. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!